Hey lovelies, so if you mined or farmed Xempire, this is to announce to you again that Xempire tokens are now reflecting, on your mini app. So this is how to successfully link your Xempire withdrawal successfully on Bybit. This is how to successfully link your Xempire withdrawal successfully on Bybit. So I shared a video like this so when the cats drop their tokens. So I'll share this again for Xempire so you can see how this works. So let's get started, guys. The first thing you want to do is you want to look at, this is what I was able to farm or mine. Now I hear a lot of you guys complaining on the Telegram channel. Yes, so let me ask officially, is Xempire tokens dust or is it gold? So this is what I was able to get. Then you can decide to click on this particular link to know why you're getting this amount of airdrop. And then you can also decide to donate to charity if you want by clicking this. For those of you that have lots of tokens, you can do that. But you can see mine is very small, 25,000 words. I can't donate to anything. So the first thing you want to do is to scroll up. Here. You're going to see the options, the withdrawal options you have. You have OKX exchange and it has no gas fee. If you are in Nigeria like myself, this OKX exchange doesn't work for you, so just skip this totally. Then you can also use Bybit, which is what I'm going to be using. You can use BitGet, you can use Ebi, but I would not advise you to use Ebi exchange because I had some of my subscribers complain bitterly that uses Ebi exchange. Then there is this on-chain airdrop. This on-chain uses requires gas fee, so let's not do this. Guys. So let's do this Bybit exchange. So this is how to successfully link your Xempire withdrawal on Bybit. So I'll click on this place here, just like this, and then it will ask you, do you have a Bybit account? If you don't have, you say no, let's create it. If you have, just click on yes, I have it, just like this. So if you don't have yours, you're going to come here and you're going to click on register. But because I have mine, I'm just going to go over to my Bybit. And I'm going to just copy the Bybit UID, the Xempire deposit address. Now every airdrop project that lists on exchanges like Bybit, like BitGet, they usually create their own deposit address. And if you don't use their own deposit address and use the wrong deposit address, you will not see your tokens. So if, for instance, this is Xempire, and you mistakenly choose cat withdrawal deposits in Bybit or BitGet or in OKX or in Binance, if it's listed on Binance, it means that you're not going to get your tokens because you choose another different airdrop project deposit address. They're also going to click on memo. Like I usually say, memo is also called tag, it's also called comment, it's also called remark, so that does not confuse you. So you can use the same idea that I'm sharing on for Bybit to work on your BitGet. So now if you go over to Bybit and you come over to Xempire, the two pages are going to automatically reload themselves. So what we're going to do is we're going to just copy the details. We're going to copy the Bybit UID from Bybit, and we're going to come to Telegram, open a default chat, and we're going to paste it just like the way I did for cats in the cats video. So let's get started. I'm going over to Bybit now. So then I'll repeat the same thing for Xempire deposit address and the same thing for the memo. So guys, I am already on Bybit. It's asking me to update my wallet. I'll do that after this video. So I'm already on Bybit. Now you're going to click on this icon that is here, this profile icon that is here to get your UID. Remember, we're copying three things. Yes. So once you click here, you're going to see my own UID here. You're going to see my UID here, and then I'm just going to click on the copy option beside the UID. I'll click on my UID here. I'll click on this copy option beside the UID. So for those of you that usually copy that I don't see it, this is my UID. So I'll click on the copy option here. And once I click on the copy option, I'll just minimize and go back to Telegram. Now I open a default. This is the reason why I said you should always create a default chat on Telegram and paste, because it usually reloads itself. So I'm just going to paste that here. I know that this is my UID. I'll paste that here. Then I'm going to go over to my Bybit again, and I'm going to copy my X wallet address. Now on my Bybit, I'm going to be opening, clicking on this particular option that says deposit here. this option here that says deposit here, and I am currently on my home tab here. Yes, I have to click on the home tab so you're able to see this deposit here. So once I click on this deposit, you will now come here and click on deposit with crypto, because once you deposit airdrop tokens and it is a crypto trade, so click deposit with crypto. I want to click on this deposit with crypto. It will bring you here. Now you want to make sure here that this place is showing crypto, not fiat, crypto. So once you click on this crypto, you now come here and write the currency kind of tag. For Xempire, they're using X, just X like this. And once you click on X, you click on done, and let me do that again so that it's search. You click on done, or you can come here and pick X here. See, there's an X here in this alphabet. Yes, so you click on that. Let me click on that, and it automatically brings me here. Now you see that this is showing X here, and you see that this is Xempire is showing here already. So I'm just going to now click on this Xempire. I want to click on it. It now asks you, what are you choosing, what chain type? Make sure that this place here is selecting ton. Yes, because I want to drop like a token. So I'll just click on that ton, and it will bring me here. Then once it brings you here, it will pop all this notification. Just click on OK. Then you're now going to copy this wallet address. We'll copy this wallet address, and we'll copy this tag or memo or comments or remarks or notes. So I've first of all copied the wallet address. Remember, I've copied the UID. So I'll copy the wallet address, and I'll go back to my Telegram. So I'm back on Telegram. You see my UID is already there, and I'm just going to click on paste to paste my wallet address. Then I'll go back again to Bybit and click and copy my memo. So now I am on Bybit. I'll just copy the memo from here, and once I copy it, I'll go back again to Telegram and paste that. So now I'm on Telegram. I'll just hit the enter button and I'll paste this. Now go to Xempire mini app on Telegram and paste all this information we've gotten: the UID, the wallet address, and the tag or the memo. So if you are still watching my video to this point and are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Sussy's vlog. This is where I share everything about crypto trading, about airdrop tax updates, about millinery tutorials, behind the scene of my baking and confectionery business. I also share how to earn money on the side when you're waiting for that particular job offer or as a 9-to-5 worker. So please stay subscribed. Also join my Telegram channel, because on my Telegram channel I share updates from time to time. I share airdrop tax, and I attend to everyone's request personally. So it is that channel you want to say subscribe to on Telegram. So I'll also drop the link of how to join my channel in the description box of this video. So now I'm just going to copy my UID here, and then I'll come here to Bybit and I'll click on paste. You see that UID is reflecting. Then I'll click on this minimize here. I'm doing this for newbies so that you don't get confused. I click on this minimize here to take me to that default chart. Then I'm going to copy my wallet address. Just copy. Don't do anything. Don't make mistake. Oh please don't make mistake. And then once I click on copy, I'm going to now click on my Xempire there and just paste my wallet address, just like my deposit address, rather, just like this. Then I also minimize again and go and click my tag or memo. I just copy it. If you don't copy it correctly, you're not going to get your tokens. Then I'll select Xempire from the down button there, and then I'm going to click on paste, just like this. And once I'm done clicking on paste, I'm now going to come here and select save and choose. I'll select save and choose. So I'll now click on save and choose, and you see that this has automatically been connected. See them, the informations are reflecting here. Informations are reflecting here and here and here. My Bybit UID, my X deposit address, my memo or the tag or the comments or the notes. Also, another way to know that it is connected, it's also by this. You see, it's a reset withdrawal option. You can see reset withdrawal option here, but I am not doing that. I am not doing that because I've already done it correctly. So this is just how to successfully link your Xempire on your Bybit exchange without making mistakes. So if you enjoyed my video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and also leave me a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in another update. Bye for now.